Hello, let's talk about approximation. Approximation is the process of estimating a number when its exact value is unknown or not necessary. It provides a close but not exact value to make calculations easier and prevent errors. This method is useful in daily life, such as when estimating costs, distances, or measurements. When approximately, we round numbers up or down based on specific rules. The goal is to replace a given number with a simpler, more convenient value while keeping it as accurate as possible. Now, there are rules for rounding numbers. Rounding follows a simple rule based on the digits in the number. Now, for digits from 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 are rounded down. This means the number remains the same and the last digits being rounded off are replaced with zeros. For digits like 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are rounded up. This means the number is increased by 1 in the place value being rounded, and the remaining digits are replaced with zeros. Now, to help remember this, let's say the digits from 0 to 4 are sometimes called group of adding 0, while digits from 5 to 9 are known as group of adding 1. Now, let's look at an example. Let's say we want to approximate 14,505 to the nearest thousand, hundred, and 10. So to do this, we say for the first one, which is 2,000, 14,505 is approximately equal to, this sign here means approximately equal to. It will be approximately equal to 15,000. Why? This is because looking at where our 1,000 is, we are having 4. And the next value that follows after it is 5. And remember I said that from 5 to 9 are being rounded up. They become 1 to the next number. You use it as 1 and add it up to the next number. That is how we got our 15,000. Now for the 100, we say 14,505 is approximately equal to 14,500. Why is this? If you look at this thing vividly, you see what we're having at our 100 is 5. And the next value that follows is 0. Remember I said from 0 to 4 is being rounded down. They become 0. So since it's 0, we'll just write it as what? 0. Now for the next one, we're having 10. So to do this, we say is approximately equal to, on our 10s, we are having 0. The next value after it is 5. It can be rounded up. It becomes 1. So remove it here. It will now be 14,510. Now let's look at another example so you can understand better. Let's say we want to approximate 79.75 to the nearest 100, 10, whole number, and tenths. Now to do this, for the first one, we are having 100, 79.75 will be approximately equal to. Now looking at this figure, in our place of 100, we are having 0. So when we approximate this, 7 will become 1. And when 7 becomes 1, the rest things that follows becomes what? 0. So this will be approximately equal to 100. Now for the next one, which is 10, our 79.75 will be approximately equal to. Now, in the place of our tens, we are having 7. The next thing that follows is 9. When we approximate 9, it becomes what? 1. Move it here, it becomes 8. So it will now be 80. 80. Now, for the next one we are having is whole number. Whole number. 79.75 will be approximately equal to, we are trying to make this whole. So when we move this here, it will become 80. Now for the last one, which is tens, $79.75 will be approximately, now looking at this, what we'll be having will be 79.8. This is our 10th position. So we approximate the next thing that follows it to this place. Since it's 5, remember 5 to 9 becomes 1. So when you move it here, it becomes 8. So we'll be having 79.8. Bye.